Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Tallyforms templates for UX feedback, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Tallyforms templates for UX feedback, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Tallyforms website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the template section. You will find various categories of templates available. Look for the section specifically labeled for UX feedback. Click on the link to access the UX feedback templates. Browse through the available templates to find one that fits your needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Check the preview to ensure it meets your requirements. If satisfied, look for the download option, usually located on the right side of the page. Click the download button to save the template to your computer. Wait for the download to complete, which should only take a few seconds. Navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the template you just downloaded. Double-click on the file to open it in the appropriate application. You can now customize the template as needed for your UX feedback session. Once customized, save the changes to ensure your feedback form is ready to use. That's it. You now have your Tallyforms templates for UX feedback downloaded and personalized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.